Want to create realistic handwriting animations in DaVinci Resolve without using any plugins? In this video, I'll show you how to make text write itself on screen using only built-in Fusion tools. Here's what the final result looks like. Let's get started. First, drag a new Fusion composition onto your timeline. Then switch over to the Fusion page. Press Shift plus space to open the Select tool window, search for Text Plus, and add it to the node graph. Connect the Text Plus node to the Media Out node. With the Text Plus node selected, open the inspector and type your text. Then choose a handwriting style font to make the effect look more realistic. Now let's create the writing animation. With the Text Plus node selected, press Shift plus space again and search for Mask Paint. As soon as you add it, the text will disappear from the viewer. Don't worry, that's completely normal. To bring it back, go to the inspector, open the Mask tab, and enable Invert. Next, select the Stroke tool located above the viewer. Then return to the Controls tab. Under Stroke Controls, set Stroke Animation to Write On. When you move your cursor over the text, you will see a green circle representing the brush size. Increase the brush size until it covers the width of your letters. Also reduce the softness to a very low value for cleaner edges. Move to the first frame of the timeline. Now click and begin tracing over the letters one by one. If you make a mistake, simply press Command plus Z on Mac or Control plus Z on Windows and try again. One important tip, don't release the left mouse button while tracing. Complete one letter and continue directly to the next until you've traced the entire word or sentence. Once you're done tracing, go back to the Mask tab and disable Invert. This reveals the text using the stroke animation we just created. Now open the Keyframes panel. Expand Mask 1 and then expand the stroke settings. Click the Zoom to Fit button so all the keyframes become visible. Drag to select all the keyframes until they turn yellow. Right-click on any selected keyframe and choose Time Stretching. Now drag the right side of the keyframes toward the left. The closer you move them together, the faster the handwriting animation becomes. And there we go. Our handwriting effect is complete. If you'd like to use this animation in other projects, you'll probably want to export it with a transparent background. In that case, check out my tutorial on how to export videos with an alpha channel in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!